Let us begin the decision of a sample program in C using a variable. So you begin the task by opening the Turbo C editor and click File and choose New from the submenu. And as I told you earlier, the default name is noname.cpp. So just save the file under which we wanted to save the program. So let me delete it with the help of the backspace key. Then it is a sample program using variable. So let me give the name as variable, of course with the dot extension C. The path is C:/tc/bin/variable.c. Click OK. As you click OK, the name of the program is changed to variable.c. The .c extension indicating it is an program in C language. So always have a practice of entering the command statement, saying the aim of the program. This is a program using a variable. So program to use a variable is the command I wanted to include. End the command line with the help of the key combinations star followed by slash. Press enter to go to the next line. And now we are supposed to include the compiler directives. Start including the compiler directives with the help of the # symbol followed by the keyword include include and less than symbol stdio.h, which will include the header file standard input output.h. Then # symbol include less than symbol conio.h in order to include the console input output.h header file, and start the main function. Since the main function is not going to return any value, the return data type is void. So enter the keyword void, void void followed by the name of the function main followed by the pair of empty parentheses. Then open the body of the function with the help of the flower bracket, then press enter. In order to have the clarity, try to have a tab character here, so I am pressing a tab key here. Now I told you that earlier I am going to use a variable in this program. Let me first of all declare the variable with the help of a declaration statement. In the theory part, we have seen that the variables have to be declared before its use. The general syntax of declaration statement is data type followed by the variable name and semicolon. The data type of this particular variable is integer, so I am making use of int, which specifies the integer value, then followed by the name of the variable. Let it be variable1. In short, let me call it as var1, terminated with the help of the semicolon. Now next thing is, I wanted to assign a value to var1. So let me give a comment statement here, /* assigning value to the variable, namely var1. Come to the end of the comment statement with the help of the key combination * followed by slash. Press enter to go to the next line. Now assign a value 3, that is 3, to the variable 1, var1, with the help of the assignment operator equal sign equal to 3 terminated. What I did here is I have put the value 3 in the memory location which is pointed by var1. That's what we discussed in the theory part of variables. So next thing is, I wanted to print or else display the value stored in the variable var1. So give a command statement saying that displaying the value stored in the variable var1. Close the command statement with the help of asterisk mark followed by slash. Then next thing is, make use of a printf statement in order to display the value stored in the variable var1. Printf, open the bracket, open the double quotes, the value, give the message value, the value stored or else saved in the variable 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 var1 is equal to the control string %d, which specifies the format of an integer variable. Close the double quotes, put a comma followed by var1, close the bracket and semicolon, terminate it. And we have forgotten one thing, it is better to clear the screen before its first use. So let us try to clear the screen in the beginning of the program itself. So now I enter CLR SER function here and terminate it. At the end, I enter the get character. So get ch in order to make the cursor to wait for me to look at the output. Then close the main function. That is the end of the program, namely variable.c. Once after that, you know you are supposed to save it. You can save it either by going to file menu and then select save from there, or else make use of the shortcut key F2. Once after saving the file, you try to compile the file. You can compile the file with the help of the compile in the main menu, or else Alt F9. Alt plus F9. I press Alt plus F9. The message says that success, press any key. So I pressed a key in the keyboard. Now the program is ready to run. So make use of the shortcut keys Ctrl plus F9 to run the program. So it gives the result as the value stored in the variable var1 is equal to 3. Let us come to an end of this session. So you try to declare more than one variable in a program and assign the values to the variable and try to print the values in the variable. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.